you a key, and then when you go in, it's a push button start. You just use this to push against that button, and it's going to start up even if your battery's dead. But then you know you got to get a new one. So this one has remote start, unlock, lock, and as well on your phone, you're using my phone. On your phone, there's an app, the Uconnect app, so you can start, stop, unlock, lock your vehicle all from your phone. And plus, it gives you diagnostics reports on there as well. Excellent feature. Okay, I'm just going to give you a quick walk around. I don't want to make blacked out ram right here. A little more aerodynamic. Now this one doesn't have the sports performance hood. That is an option. You can get that. No problem. Just we'll go over your wants and needs, whatever you want or don't need. We'll make sure you get it just so that you can hear me a little better because it's windy. 20-inch rims on here, so check out these rims. Also, they come in black as well. The side here, body color mirrors, black rims on there, black logos on this one. Keyless entry. So right here you'll see this isn't a mega cab. They've extended this 4 inches. So that's going to give you a lot more room back here. Look back here, there's no more hump there, so a lot more cargo space as well, foot space. I'm just going to jump in here and I'll show you some of the new features, as well as this panoramic sunroof. That's brand new for 2019 as well. Cup holders here. Look at all these imports that you have right there. Inputs. Okay. Plus, I'm going to show you the Ram bin. It's a secret storage. So they don't have this on the other truck. So, you know, if you're comparing brands, Ford, Chev, or Toyota, and even Nissan makes a truck actually, I invite you to go and check them out. None of them have this. So, put some ice in there, hide your battery booster cable packs in there. All-weather mats there as well. This is a soft sport, so premium cloth material right here and leather on the outside. You can get this as full leather as well. Check out there's an armrest right there. Rear window defrost. Some extra storage in here as well. I'm going to show you something else as well. These seats recline. So I'm not going to do that right now, but the seats recline and you can stare up at that double sunroof there. Also what we did, the beds are deeper now and the payload has increased about 2,500 pounds. Also towing capacity has increased, so almost 13,000 pounds. I think it's 12,750. The back bumper has changed a little bit here. So the 4-pin and 7-pin is now on the opposite side. It used to be right here on the 18s. And also take a look at this actually. So they used to be the chrome tips, now it's the black. Very nice. So improved capability all around. I saved the best for last is where you sit. Oh, blind spot protection. Can you see that on here? So when someone's in your blind spot, there's gonna be an orange triangle that lights up right there. Okay. All right. So on the inside here, I'll just show you quickly here. So lumbar support right there, power seats. Now the console, I'll have to. You want to jump in the side here, and I'll show you. Okay, so check out this console here. It's huge. So you can configure it however you want. It's pretty deep back here. Look on here, these measurements on there. Very nice. So you can also get an available wireless pad right there to charge your phone. I'm just gonna shut the music off. There's another power source in there. More inputs. This one even has a CD player. Parking sensors on the back and on the front. You can get air-cooled seats, heated steering wheel. The 8.4 screen. It also has a 12-inch screen that is this big, just a bigger screen there. So this one has navigation inside your Sirius satellite radio, or you can have navigation full screen, 2 fingers. You can move that however you want. So you can even zoom out as far as you want there. So satellite radio is free for a year, different media devices, connect your phone to Bluetooth, apps. This is a Wi-Fi hotspot on there as well. You can project your phone screen onto here as well. You can use Google Maps. It has Android Auto, CarPlay, This is an 8-speed automatic transmission with automatic 4-wheel drive. On dry pavement, you would use 2-wheel drive, of course, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low. This saves a lot of space, you know. I know that the old traditional truck owners, they like the gear shift right here, but look what you can do when you don't have that there. Look at all the space that you have. 2 glove boxes right here. And as well, all your features right there, SOS button, assist button. You can put a shade over here, or you can have your sunroof fully open. And we have another 12-volt charger up here as well. Put your phone in here, and different options. So this is the Sport. Of course, you can go up to the Laramie, and the Laramie, that's where you can get the 12-inch screen. So you can't get it in the Sport. You'd have to get a Laramie or higher. And then with the Laramie, you get the memory seats, and you get the back seats that are heated as well, so that's why someone might move up to a Laramie. And then we have the Longhorn, which is the country and western theme with the light brown, dark brown options for interior. And then the Limited, the top of the top, the cream of the crop. We have all these options. We also have lower models as well, so a tradesman, if you're just looking for a work truck, whatever you want for a truck. Let's find out your wants and needs. Let's get you the best price. Come in and ask for Mark Sugar at Auto Clearing, 331 Circle Drive in Saskatoon, all right?